I'm super thrilled to help you unpack this very important ReeYee anti-theft sling crossbody bag. Now this is great for commuting and for protecting your goods. It's beautiful, and if you carry an 11-inch tablet, your phone, and daily EDC gear while traveling or commuting, but worry about pickpockets, crowded spots, and anti-theft, sling bag is exactly what you need. It packs a 3-digit combination lock, 5 waterproof compartments, and hidden security, all without looking like a bulky turtle shell. It's sleek, it's streamlined, it's modern, it's contemporary, and look how discreet this lock is. Before you buy this for your next trip, there's one specific thing you really want to learn about. If this kind of video share is good for you, please like and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these. Now look at this pocket. This is wide, it's free, and it also has side pockets. It has an overall storage volume of 7 liters. It weighs 1.3 pounds, barely can fill it. The exterior dimensions are 13.5 by 8 by 4.5 approximately. It is a high-density, water-resistant Oxford nylon fabric that feels very, very strong. Its splash-proof coating keeps it from getting damaged easily, and look at all these great details inside. It has multi-layer breathable honeycomb mesh air cushion padding. It's comfortable, ambidextrous quick release strap, switchable to the left or right shoulder. It's integrated with easy spots for your sunglasses and a sunglass loop. It fits up to an 11-inch iPad Pro or other tablet, and it has a 5.5 main capacity. It holds power banks, compact cameras, umbrellas, daily notebooks. It features internal mesh pockets and cable pass-through channels, and it has a key true wireless earbud case, lip balm, and quick reach item section with your secret top access stash pocket. Now the front zippered organizer section is great for slim items like charging cables, pens, and power banks, and a special concealed packet for passports, cash, smartphone, things that are held against your back and chest right here. And it's in between 2 very comfortable pads that sit great on your shoulders or back. And this shoulder strap is so comfortable. This is your secret stash compartment right there, and it works very well because it is against your body and nothing can get to it except for you. You can see how easy it is to reach in there for your most important items and zip it right back up. Now these 2 pads are so comfortable against your skin. You can hold it against your chest or back. And this shoulder strap can be attached to either side, whatever's most comfortable for you, choosing left or right, or depending on the outfit that you're wearing or where you're sitting that day on an airplane or a commuter train. Now this strap is super adjustable. It has a quick release snap, and it is adjustable for all sizes, and depending on if you want to carry it close to you like a briefcase or over your body like a crossbody piece. It's weather resistant build. It has rain and accidental spills completely handled because the heavy duty Oxford shell will not soak through. And look how great it looks. It is great looking, and there's just really no deal breakers here. This is just a great, well-priced bag. It is great for men and women. It doesn't look particularly feminine, so it's easy for men to carry and be confident in that. And look how easy it slings over the back. This was provided for me from the brand to share with you, and I really like this. I actually think this is a great gift to give, and for men and women would be very well received. I love the lock combination. I think it's a great piece. If you like this or found this useful, please like this video and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these. I give this bag an absolute thumbs up, yes. Well priced, well protection of your things. I think you will really like it like I do. It slips on and off easily, and it does not disappoint.